The Spokane County Sheriff's Office has issued an Amber Alert for a 2-year-old white male named Roman Hagler. He is 3 feet tall, weighing 30 pounds, with hazel eyes and brown hair, and was last seen westbound on I-90 departing from 1201 North Barker Road, Spokane Valley, Washington. He was wearing a blue and green sweatshirt, dark blue sweatpants, and gray shoes. An unknown suspect got into a running vehicle and took off with the child still inside. They may be traveling in a light blue 1994 Chevrolet Suburban with Washington license plate number BIZ5141. There is a raw performance sticker on the front windshield and a hole in passenger side bumper. If you have information, please call the Spokane County Sheriff at 509-456-2233 or call 911.